Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and since we are in the standard photo mode, we can enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the timer. After tapping, you can see that we've got 4 different options: the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds, so let's simply tap on it. It will be immediately notified right here, and after getting back to the the camera app, and tapping on the shutter button, you can see that your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, of course, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, we've got the flash turned on, so let me turn it off. Okay, so basically this is how it works. Of course, as I said, you can set 3 or 5 seconds delay, or you can turn it off completely just by tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.